In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to your DocuSign account. Adding users is a crucial task when you're managing a team and need to ensure everyone has access to the necessary documents and tools. So let's get started on making that process as seamless as possible. First, you need to log in to your DocuSign account. Once you're in, take a look at the top of your dashboard, where you'll find the Admin tab. Go ahead and click on it. It's important to note that it might take a moment for everything to load, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. This is perfectly normal. Just be patient as the system prepares everything for your administrative tasks. After everything loads, you'll notice a panel appearing on the left side of your screen. This panel is packed with categories, but the one we're interested in today is labeled Users. Go ahead and select the Users section. This is your main hub for managing who can access your DocuSign account. It's crucial to do this step correctly to ensure that everyone on your team has the right level of access and permissions. Next, you'll see the option titled Add User. Click on this button, and you'll start by entering some key details for the new user. Begin by typing in the email address of the person you'd like to add. Keep in mind that accuracy is important here, since this email will serve as the main contact and login point for this user. After entering the email, you'll be prompted to fill in more detailed profile information. This includes the user's name, job title, and address. Accurately entering this information helps in organizing your team within DocuSign, making it easier to manage roles and responsibilities. It also improves communication and collaboration among team members. Optionally, you can add an access code at this point. This functions as an extra layer of security, akin to a password, which you'll share with them. This access code will be needed for the user to activate their account successfully, so remember to communicate it securely. The final step in this process is assigning permissions, licenses, and group settings to this new user. Carefully consider what level of access they should have. Are they an administrator, or do they simply need viewing capabilities? Assigning the right permissions ensures your documents remain secure and only accessible to those who need them. Once you've set everything up, click on Add User. And there you have it. The new user will receive an email prompting them to activate their account. You may need to give them a nudge to complete the activation process. Once they've activated their account, they'll be all set up to contribute to your team, making document management easier and more efficient for everyone. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.